You have no idea what it's like to have something inside you, something that's damaged.
Ow.
If you're looking for a match for orange cats, tuxedo cats are perfect. Danger is a word never mentioned in a tuxedo's cat's dictionary. If life is too easy, get a cat like this.
Jesus.
I think Hollywood missed out on a talent in a suit. So that's the purpose of shoes with thick soles.
The morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger. Why are you so mad? I've never heard it.
Love can sometimes be an unexpected paddle like this. Rumor has it that they're still haggling over their meal.
Only to find faucet.
Looks like working here is chill. Just look like this guy.
Here? Huh?
This is how you like your bed, but it's not right. Nothing can stop his wild side, not even this tent.
Sir, that food was not on the ground 2 seconds ago. It just wasn't. Like, what is the reason? What is the reason?
The orange cat's strangest opponent is 100% the tuxedo cat. No, buddy. This is just a one-sided love affair.
Izzy! Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
When he's in a bind, his talking skills really come out.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off.
Orange cats? No. Tuxedo cats are also the real trendsetters.
My cat Troy is trying to see if he can fit in this bag. He's trying very hard and he thinks that maybe he can fit.
I'm starting to believe that one day cats will rule the world.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
This show isn't free. Everything has a price tag. Pour water on me and I'll drink it in style.
It was fun while it lasted, sir.
The hunt seemed to have failed when the prey even dragged the predator away.
My cat is legitimately possessed and requires an exorcism. Please help.
Look at her head! She's so weird!
The moment you realise you're raising an assassin, not a cat. Seems like he's staring at something invisible. Just a finger and you can turn on cat dance mode.
I know. It's okay. You're done.
Let them eat. You're big enough. Look at that.
Better hurry up with the food because the boss seems impatient.
Let them eat.
Let cats check the glass and it's just boom.
Put the paw down. Put it down. Don't start no shit with me. You know.
Just a dapper guy enjoying his lunch break.
We're in like a pack of sardines, we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Sometimes you'll worry about burglars if you have a cat. Just chill and stick your neck out. Your staff will get it. When you want a peaceful day together, but your cat doesn't. A sneak attack can't fool this guy.
Hey, buddy. You into the mac and cheese? No. Sorry. Try again? Maybe? Nope.
Even when taking a bath, stay cool.
I've only ever grown up like having dogs before, so this is my first experience with a cat. You know what I mean? And there's plenty of differences, but the big.
Oh no, strong attack, but flopped at the end. Now we get why tuxedo cats can rival orange cats.
Brother, what's that?
But like, why are his arms crossed? Like he's about to order a drink at the bar. Is seriously though. Snacky J, you're hilarious.
Look, this robot is made like a real cat. Oh, it's real. What do you think about Tuxedo Cats? Stay tuned for more fun in the next episodes. See ya!